How to draw a backpack. Hey, learn how to draw hub crew. So for the first step of drawing our backpack today, we're going to begin by making 2 circles right in the center of the page. Nice job! Now let's enclose those circles that we just made with a rectangular-like shape. Fantastic start! Now we're going to begin to make the front of our backpack. Now let's go ahead and connect that curved line that we just made to that rectangular-like shape that we previously made. Nice job! Now let's go ahead and begin to make the back side of our backpack. For a little bit of detail, I'm going to add 2 stripes right underneath those 2 circles that we first made. Now let's take it to the very top of our backpack and let's make a backpack handle. Great job learning how to draw hub crew. Now last but not least, we're going to make one curved line going right down the back side of our backpack. This is how to draw a backpack. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you liked the video today, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to the Learn How to Draw Hub YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Let's go ahead and clone our drawing together.